In my last training, I tried a new exercise, like a variation of one-on-one, a one-contact game. We call it bugger tennis, and it didn't work like I really liked it. So I'm not really satisfied with my solution. Maybe you have some more ideas how we can pimp this exercise. I will show you what I did and why I tell you why I'm not satisfied. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome on my channel. My name is Martin. Hope you have a great day. This is all about volleyball, and today we're going to take a closer look at a warm-up exercise I just did a few trainings ago. I'm not really satisfied with this variation of bugger tennis, one contact game, and therefore maybe you have some creativity, some ideas how we can pimp this exercise together. I really would like to find a better solution than I did. And therefore we now will take first a look at the exercise and then later think about how we can pimp this thing. Let's go. This thing, exactly. How do you call this? Bump set tennis, bugger tennis like we do, one-on-one or one contact game? I want to know how you call this game when you play one-on-one with one contact only, playing the ball directly over the net again. And therefore please comment down in my comment section below how you call this game in English. For me, this competition game is perfect in the warm-up program. Just at the beginning of our training we have a lot of movement, we have a lot of ball control, a lot of anticipation of the ball, already focus and competition, so we get right into our practice, start with the ball and get quick on the ball, ready to do some more tactics and techniques for the rest of the training. So to try a new variation, I usually start with a variation the players already know. Here we are gonna play in the 3-meter zone, bugger tennis, one contact each in two groups. Very easy and very soft to start from, only moving sideways, not so fast forth and back, and therefore it is quite easy to start the training. After that I added an extra ball to all the players in the waiting line, and they have to pass the ball to the player on the court when he's leaving after his contact. I already made a video on this one-on-one with extra ball and you can find it on my channel. I think it's a great exercise, I really like it. A lot of focus, a lot of anticipation, coordination and teamwork, and therefore great to start the training. Now I wanted to try a new variation, a competition with two players on the court, and the player who played the ball over the net is gonna leave the court and catching the ball tossed by the partner who is entering the court. As we now play full court with only two players, I expected much more movement, much more ball control needed to score the point. Lots of action and quickness, agility, coordination on the court, and therefore really great to have fun and some spectacular rallies. But as you can see, maybe you think as I do, it is kind of boring and lame, and you can better put the better rallies in here in this video. So I wasn't really satisfied with this variation. I wanted to have a little bit more action, a little bit more spectacular rallies, quicker on the court, more coordination for playing the ball, more anticipation and more teamwork. And therefore I now want to try another variation to make this multi-ball game much more interesting. Okay guys, so now you know why I didn't like this exercise. It was too boring, it was not that quickness, that agility I really wanted to see, and therefore maybe it was just a bad training, I don't know. I will try it again maybe at some other day, but maybe you have some ideas for me that I can try in my training, then just put them down in the comments below and I will try in my next trainings if this is a better solution. If you like my channel, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, press the like button and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any more videos. I usually post the videos on Monday, sometimes on Friday. And if you join my community, I really would appreciate it. Thank you. And we will see us in the next video. See you there. Bye bye. Have a great day.